Police reports can help determine who is at fault in an accident, but their findings can be questioned. Any investigating officer who responds to a California accident scene must write up a report about what happened based on the clues left behind and eyewitness testimony. The collision report contains the police officer's opinion of what happened, but it's not always correct. The officer didn't watch the crash unfold. A skilled car accident lawyer can conduct a separate investigation on your behalf to help paint a more accurate picture of what happened. You should speak to a car accident lawyer anytime you are blamed for a car accident you didn't cause. An experienced lawyer with Maison Law may be able to prove that you were not at fault and also help you secure injury compensation from the at-fault driver's insurance. Contact Maison Law for a free, no-obligation case consultation to learn more about your legal options.